This is Vitodens 200 condensing boiler, and I want to tell you a little bit about this job we are doing in here. We're gonna install on the wall. We've got lots of stuff for this. Them pipes we're gonna put into the chimney. Yeah, we've done some job in this house, in this property before. You can see this in my previous videos. We're gonna install that boiler on this wall in here, and on the right side we're gonna put a pump for the floor heating system. Under the gas boiler we're gonna put unvented hot water cylinder for hot water production. We've got chimney in there. So thank you for now. I will tell you step by step what we gonna do in here. Yeah, we've got our pump on the wall. It looks like that. The Vitodens 200 is on the wall too, and now we're gonna connect all them pipes. Yeah, on this side, on the left side we've got flow, on the right side we've got return, the gas valve in the middle, and them two pipes are for the hot water cylinder. Yeah, in here we're gonna connect two them pipes, copper pipes. They are going from our radiators. Yeah, so we will do this job now as quick as we can, and see you again. I will show you what we've done. Yeah, so for now, thanks. Now we are in the middle of our job. We connect the pipes already into the floor heating pump made by Oventrop company. It looks like that. We've got 3-port valve inside, yeah, and over there you can see temperature gauges. On the top we install bleeds to bleed all air from the installation. Under the boiler we've got some valves, filters, gas valve. This is flow, this is the return. Them two pipes are going into the radiators. It's fully insulated, and it looks just like that. Today we're gonna install unvented hot water cylinder, 140 liters, and we're gonna connect that cylinder into that cylinder's them 3 pipes, hot and cold pipe, water pipe, and this third one is circulation pipe. Yeah, we're gonna install pump on the circulation pipe, and this boiler can cooperate with that pump. Yeah, so this pump will not working all the time, just if someone will at home open the tap, the boiler will switch the pump. Yeah, this is good option for this. So anyway, I will show you more job later on. Hello again. As you can see, we are nearly on the finish of the job. We didn't finish yet, but tomorrow I think we're gonna finish this. Loads of pipes, loads of valves. This gas boiler will cooperate with that 3-port valve, and it will send temperature, optimizing the temperature. It depends what temperature this house needs. Yeah. Hello again. We nearly finished that job. As you can see, we already have unvented hot water cylinder under the gas boiler, and all the pipes are connected. We have in here circulation pump for the circulation, cold water in here with the pressure relief valve. Over there on that T we're gonna put expansion vessel. This is cold water. We've got non-return valve in here and the normal valve. On this side, this is the hot water pipe with the valve. If we want to disconnect this unvented hot water cylinder, we can close all the valves and just disconnect that cylinder. This is the flow from the boiler. This is the return. Inside there we've got the coil. So this coil will heat up the water, domestic water, yeah. On the circulation pipe we've got non-return valve too. And it looks like that. Tomorrow we're gonna connect expansion vessel. We're gonna put this in here on this wall. So thank you for now and see you next time. Bye bye.